Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Shella Marlina. I'm 36 years of age. I'm from Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I have two kids, 12 years old and 15 years old. I am a high school graduate, and my first employer is from Kingdom, Saudi Arabia. I worked there on September 2019 to January 2023. Their house is 3 stories house, 5 bedrooms, and 9 toilets. My duties there is cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. And sometimes I help my husband in his responsibilities in the garden. They are 5 in the house. Their son and daughter ages 41, 37, and 30. My second employer is from Romania. I worked there on November 2023 to November 2025. Their house is 3 stories house, 2 bedrooms, and 7 toilets. My duties there is more on cooking and sometimes cleaning, washing, and ironing. They are 3 in the house and their son is 16 years old. Thank you, Mom and Sir.